Maraming salamat po sa inyo lahat.
Hi, my name is Justin Solicchio and excited naman kayo for the Valentine's. Ako, syempre, because it's my mother's birthday as well. So, syempre, dami na namang pagkain and that's all that is important to me. But not everyone's season of love is just about food. Some people are really into love and boyfriends and whatnot, like Ann Curtis's movie, panoorin nyo. Alam mo, madaming mga bagay na nangyayari sa buwan ng Pebrero, especially sa mga ating mga wildlife at sa mga batang nasa labas because of population booms and a lot of basura and the stuff. And of course, a lot of depression is happening because it's a big thing. And kapag merong celebration, magkakaroon ng mga taong may epekto doon. So sana responsible pa rin tayo. But love is a gift that we should enjoy, but we should enjoy it responsibly. Ito lang yung mensahe ko. But also, build cup. Congratulations! Happy Valentine! Ba't ka sa dulo magkakaroon ka ng jowa? Charot. Bye-bye!